In today's video, I'll show you how to play PUBG or BGMI at 120 FPS on any phone, no root required. Stick around because in just a few minutes you'll learn exactly how to enable 120 FPS and unlock the Ultra Extreme graphics option. Let's get started. First, let me show you that my device currently only supports the Extreme option with smooth graphics. But by the end of this tutorial, we'll unlock Extreme Plus and Ultra Extreme options. To enable 120 FPS, you'll need to download and install the following apps: FPS Unlocker, MT Manager, and Termux. Once installed, open the FPS Unlocker app. Now navigate to the FPS Unlocker option, go to the Settings page, and enable Termux permissions. Next, tap the I button, then copy the second command displayed there. Now close this app and open Termux. Before proceeding, you'll need to grant storage permission to the Termux. You can either type the following command, Termux setup storage, or if this command doesn't work on your device, manually allow storage permission from the Termux app settings, as I'm doing here. Once Termux has the necessary permissions, paste the command you copied from the FPS Unlocker app. If this command doesn't work, update the Termux repository using apt update. Now, reopen the FPS Unlocker app, tap the Info button again, and copy the third command from there. Return to Termux. Paste this command. Once done, close Termux and open the FPS Unlocker app again. Now press the back button to return to the main page. From here, select your game version, choose Save option from the files. Mux as the FPS making channel. After that, slide the Unlock FPS button. Once you see this dialog box, it means your patch file has been generated and saved in your Downloads folder as a zip file. Do not open this file, just tap No when prompted. Now close the FPS Unlocker app and open your Downloads folder. Inside, locate the FPS Unlocker folder, open it, and then navigate to the BGMI folder. Here you'll find the patch file we just created. Extract it and you'll see a .pack file inside. Now we need to move this file to the PUBG directory. To do this, open MT Manager and locate the .pack file from the download folder. If the manager asks for storage permission, grant it. Now over here on the left, you'll see our .pack file, and on the right, we're going to open the Android folder, then proceed to Data, the com.pubg folder, Files, UE4 Game, Shadow Tracker Extra, and once more Shadow Tracker Extra. From there, go into Saved, and then into the Packs folder. Now, tap and hold on .pack file, select Copy, and when prompted with a file conflict dialog, choose Apply to Conflict and Confirm. Once copied, you'll see the file highlighted in green, meaning the process was successful. Now, launch PUBG, and you'll find the 90 FPS and 120 FPS options unlocked. And that's it. This was an easy method to enable Ultra Extreme FPS in PUBG or BGMI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.